welcome back to my channel, Reaper Gaming. I'm kind of in a hurry, so yeah. Welcome back to its series. It's officially part 6 of the gameplay Resident Evil 8. Oh, give me that. So, yeah, in the previous episode we got fucked by the zombies, and now we got the weapon and safety equipment, so now we can save ourselves. Okay, so now let's go. Let's continue with the episode. I don't want to waste time on intro, so yeah. Uh-oh. Sir, where you going? What the hell? I hate my hand. We just chewed up, by the way. So they're all around there. They're all outside. Now what can I do? Please, doggies, die. Is somebody inside? No. I think we clutched it, folks. We did. More are coming. So now what? Where can we go? I'm just enjoying the seclusion, I would say. Oh shit. I wasn't expecting that. Sir, why did you do that? Now I'm not safe here. I need to go somewhere. Oh, sir, no. Why am I calling them sirs? I don't know, but it's quite funny though, so that's why I think. Okay, one shot. Who else is here? Come fuck with me. No, don't come here. I'm just kidding. Oh no. There are two? I think it's time. Oh shit. Yeah. Another day. Okay. Oh no. Yeah. I had a feeling he was here. Oh, we got the golden crystal. I don't know what's that is. Oh no. Are there more? Oh shit. Hello, you. Shit. No. Uh-oh. I think my best option was to stay there. Oh shit. Is there a place to get out? I don't think so. And what? Oh. What the hell just happened? Ow! With the arrow in the femur. Ow! No! Ethan, you hell of a man. Doggy, no. Doggy, no. No, doggy. Oh, cold water. Wait, who the hell? Stare at my face, please. Uh-oh. Oh. Man, you're ginormous. Can I call you big ass? Oh no. No. Look away. I know. Look, somebody's calling. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for going. Phew. Okay, so we got the arrow out of the femur. Now we gotta fix our hand, maybe. Yeah, you're doing. At least get off from the cold water, Ethan. Just seeing you in the cold water is making me shiver. Come on. Yeah, come on, get. Oh no. Who are you?
Wait.
Are you the main villain of this game? I don't know. Let's find out. It's still locked. Hello,
In life
old
and
lady.
in death,
Who are you?
give glory.
Hello? You shouldn't be out here. It's not safe. What the hell? Hey, can you hear me?
It's you, the child's father.
She looks
Child?
creepy. I
Hey,
mean,
wait. Do you mean Rose? Is she here?
Rose!
we should not trust her.
Rose!
Oh, she knows about Rose.
She is
No.
in great danger. Since Mother
Okay.
Miranda brought her to the village, we have fallen into darkness.
What are you talking about? The monsters?
The castle bell
Castle
heralds danger.
is ringing.
They're coming!
I mean, not the castle. The bells
No.
in the castle are
Wait,
ringing.
where's
ringing.
Rose? Who's Mother Miranda?
The bell tolls for us all. They're coming again!
This old woman is crazy.
Rose is here?
Anyways, I think, guys, we could call it an episode here. We had a lot of fun, but not the same for Ethan. He, yeah, you know, like got arrow in his femur, got his hand cut off, but we healed ourselves as well. So, without okay, so I'm just gonna say, gosh, I'm really bad at ending the games. I'm so sorry. Okay, so yeah, bye bye. We're gonna end the game, end this episode. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Stay tuned, subscribe if you want. It's free. You can always change your mind later, and turn on the notification bells if you want. Who knows, maybe if I get famous one day, you might be the one who gets some money. I'm just being ridiculous, but yeah, turn on the notifications. My videos are really banger, popular videos, #1 trending. So yeah, let's go. Bye bye.